same here. These are the newest earbuds from Xiaomi, the Redmi AirDots 3. Compared to the predecessor, they have been upgraded a lot regarding function and features, like the Qualcomm QCC3040 processor, the Bluetooth 5.2, the battery capacity, and of course, the price. It's almost double the cost compared to the Redmi AirDots 2. So, what's the upgrade? Let's find out in this video. But before that, please show some support for my channel by hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support is the real motivation for me to put a continuous effort into my future videos. First things first, let's get it unboxed. The box comes with a charging case and earbuds, a Chinese manual, 2x pair of silicone ear tips, and one short Type-C cable. That's it. Regarding the design, the same have a way better finish and craftsmanship than AirDots 2, whether regarding the charging case or the earbuds. After all, you get what you paid, right? We can see there is a smooth touch panel, a mic, and an LED indicator on the back. Move to the front, there are 2 charging contacts, a wearing detection spot, and an air tip. As for the gesture control, it doesn't change much. Double tap on the right earbud to pause or play music, double tap on the left earbud to active voice assistant, double tap on either of the earbuds to answer the phone call or hang up in the middle of the call. However, I do find a bug here. There's no gesture to refuse the phone call. Not sure why this happens, hopefully it can get fixed soon. As we are talking about the call, let's check out the call quality. Here is how it sounds in the noisy indoor environment.
So right now we're testing the audio quality of the Redmi AirDots 3.
And this is outdoors. So right now we're testing the call quality of the Redmi AirDots 3. From my test, the outdoor call sounds clear and quite usable. As for the indoor call quality, it's really not so good. The sound got muffled and I cannot hear clearly at all. Now to the most important part, the audio quality. Since they have upgraded to the Qualcomm QCC3020 chipset and equipped with high-frequency moving iron and low-frequency moving coil, and they support aptX adaptive codec for better sounding, I do feel the improved sound quality. Overall, they sound much clearer than the predecessor. The bass is punchy and the pickup vocals very well. They feel balanced whether you are listening to summer pop hits, dance music, or some acoustic music. The earbuds handle all of that. For other features like the Bluetooth 5.2, yes, it has a faster connection speed and a stable connection. The first time I connected, I was just going to search the AirDots 3 Bluetooth from the list. The pop-up occurred and asked me for pairing. So convenient and fast. Once you connect it, next time when you open the cover, they will connect automatically. To be honest, I really love the animation, just so soothing to watch. As for gaming latency and video viewing, I don't see any big problem, pretty usable. Hey, what's up, Simi here. So today I'm with my good friend Simi to unbox this Womorock S7. In terms of battery life, I can almost reach a total of 30 hours with the charging case. I normally use it around 3 hours a day and lasts for more than a week. Nothing to complain about that. So, the Redmi AirDots 3 worth buying? From my opinion, I probably won't. Mainly because I don't like this stemless design earbuds. They seem to slip off my ears easily. Check out. Not good for sports. Also, I found the touch panel is not easy to operate, not so sensitive. They don't give you full control of the earbuds either, and that's something I'm really not interested. But that's just my own opinion. If you are a Mi fan and want a pair of budget earbuds that have really good sounding, faster connection, low latency features, and also look really well made and polished, I guess this is for you. If you are interested, you can check out the link in the description to get one of those. Or if you're interested in some of other earbuds that I've done reviews before, check out from here. Stay subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.